Hey, what's up, folks? Today, me and my buddy go down to the river and have some fun. I hope you guys enjoy the video and stay tuned for more content.
Look at the chonker.
Snagged it.
On the tube, baby.
Snagged it.
You gonna point? Look where. There you go. Yeah, I might have to grab a weight. Look at the gut on this fucker. I think it's just girthy.
Now, being a Door County local, catching smallmouth bass is one of my favorite things to do. So getting out early in spring and getting on them, it's always a blast.
Those red eyes, it's evil.
I know. 2-pounder.
I'll get mogged.
Well, 2-2. I thought it'd be more. It's a tub. Put it down. It's a chunky 2-pounder. There it goes. They're in there. Of course, I didn't have the damn thing on when I hooked up. Dude, that's over the fucking tree.
You went over the tree?
This is called the flying tube.
Flying Dutchman.
Ready? Should I launch it?
Yep.
You gotta watch out.
I'm launched.
And now that's gonna catch a fish.
I'm calling.
Don't.
I'm calling.
That. Oh yeah. Nice.
What's with these red eyes?
Dude, they're sick. These things look cool. Nice smallie again. Oh yeah, there she is. Nice little smallie right there, baby. Look at that thing. Get the red eye in there. Look at that. Beautiful river smallie. On Howie's tubes, baby. Here we go. Back to it. Rick. What? What?
Fish.
Oh yeah.
No! That was a muskie!
Or was it a pike? Could you tell? Get back in there. It's not gone. Cast behind. Dude, what the fuck?
See, I know a bite, idiot.
You didn't fucking know.
You made me lose my first muskie.
We don't know if that was a
saw it.
muskie. The water's real brown.
Yeah, and I have night vision.
That could have been a pike. Well,
No net job from your bass.
how was I gonna net that? It wasn't even close to the boat.
You know what your new name is? The Selfish Hammer. That counts as a catch, honestly.
Yeah, I know. It should. It was only 10 feet from the boat.
Dude, it was right here.
Yeah, it was pretty close.
You know, if I had a YouTube channel, this video would be called Bass Hammer Makes the Masturbator Loses Fish of a Lifetime.
Okay, that was a 20-something inch pike.
Fish of a lifetime. Oh, okay, right into my workshop. Don't worry, I'll go over. Oh yeah, that's fish.
Fish. Oh my god!
It came off. Oh, it's a weed.
Yeah, no it wasn't. That's the tail. Fuck. I'm finesse
I'm gonna
fishing.
try to get under that log.
I'm finesse fishing. I don't need to do anything. What the fuck? Is that a fish? Oh yeah.
Got one?
That was a gentle bite. Just scooped it off the bottom. Thank you. My little smallie. Old guy. Oh yeah. There he is. Untangle this old guy. Watch out, Rick. It is super cool. Dude, look at the river's glass. How cool is that? Get ready. You gotta hit a dock hop. Oh yeah. Parallel park this John. Oh yeah. Easy. Easy there, girl. Nice.
Got some nice smallmouth today out there on a green Howie's tube. Always a great time fighting those guys. They put up an extra good fight, especially in the clump. And I have more videos like this coming out soon, so I hope you guys enjoy.
Looks good.